Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just want to show you another really quick video. This is a really good deal. Bissell Spinwave hard floor mopping vacuuming robot for $249. I paid $399 for this just not even 2 weeks ago. So yeah, it shows I purchased 2 times, which I did, but one got lost in the mail, so that's why. But for $250, I mean, what an awesome deal. I would highly recommend this at that price. It does mop pretty good overall. It's probably one of the best mopping robots out there. It could be smarter. It could be a little bit better, but for $250 is probably right on where this should be. It's worth at least trying out for $250, I would say. $400, not so much, but $250, wow. All right, so that's just a super quick video letting you know about this amazing deal. Do me a big favor, I'm gonna put a link down in the description. If you buy it, please click that link. I make a few dollars off each sale, and it helps go towards this channel. Also, if you found this deal helpful, please like and subscribe. I put deals like this up all the time when I see good deals on robots and anything else. All right, thanks guys, have a good day, see ya.